Welcome traders. If you are searching for how to use the long and short position tool on TradingView, here is the right place for you. Stay tuned and learn everything you need about long and short position tool on TradingView. At the end of this video, you will learn and become a pro on how to use it. Let's get started. For you to use the long and short tool, you need to come to this point, the forecasting and measurements tools. You pick the long tool. Before I proceed, I'm going to point out all the important points on this position tool. So let's go ahead. I'm extending this thing. I will label the 3 important points and explain them. Let's pick the arrow here and carry to this point. Copy the arrow so that you can label other important points. Another arrow here. Then come to these points. These are the 3 important points we are going to focus on. Let me make this thing straight. Yes. So these are the 3 points. These points here is the entry points. So let's label it entry, the entry level. We have another one here, take profits level. So let's label it take profits. Take profits. So this is take profits. This is entry. And this last one at the bottom is the stop loss level. So stop loss. Stop loss. These are the most 3 important points you should take note of when you are using the short and long position tool on TradingView. So I'm going to interpret all the coordinates in these points. This tool is one of the tools traders use to plan their trades. Assuming you have this BTC chart that you want to analyze, and after your analysis, you've predicted that the market is going to go up. What you will do is to pick a long tool, place it on your entry point, then extend the tool to the point you are predicting that price will get to, which will be your take profits point, and extend the stop loss level to the point you think price will not reach before getting to your take profits. So let's demonstrate it. Pick long tool. Assuming we to long BTC here and target this high. Let's extend this. Target this high. and this low as our stop loss and this high as our take profit. This long position will do everything for us. But before we continue with this, let me also label other important points on this diagram I've shown here. The distance from here the distance from this point to this up is the take profit distance. Then the distance from the entry to stop loss is stop loss distance. So this is what we have. Let's also label it. Let me make the line straight first. Okay, let's move now. This is the label in here. So, okay, let's use our arrow. The distance from here to here is the stop loss distance. So let's write it. Stop loss distance. Stop loss distance. So this is our stop loss distance. Stop loss distance is distance from entry to the stop loss level. Then distance from entry to take profit is the take profit distance. Let's also write take profit distance. Good. So from here to here is the take profit distance. And the next thing for us to interpret now is the coordinates. So from this long 2 here, let's put our entry here so that and target stop loss at this level. We can explain this. If you hover on these two, you are going to see different points on this level. The green part is the take profit part. The red part is the stop loss part. Remember, you can change the color to any color of your choice. But in this video, we are going to leave it on this default color. So there are points that are listed under the stop loss part and also on the part of the take profit. But let's interpret the points here. We have these points indicated as stop, which is 646.8. We have another one in percentage 0.756%. And we have another one 6,468, then amount 750. This point indicated as stop here 646.8 is gotten by subtracting the stop loss from the entry price. So let's click the two. To get the stop 646.8, you have entry price, this entry price which is 85,596.8. Let's write it. Let's do the calculation together. 85,596.8. 596.8 minus, that's the stop loss price now. Let's scroll down to stop loss price, which is on that stop level. You see 84,950. This is 84,950 dollars. This is going to give us, we use our calculator now. We have exactly what is indicated as stop. The 85,596.8 minus this 84,950, which is going to give us 646.8. Do the math on your calculator to confirm this. So this is it. 646.8 is the difference between the entry price and the stop loss price. Then 0.756% is the percentage of the stop loss distance. Then 6,468 is the stop loss point in ticks. This amount is the remaining amount in the specified account balance in this two, which is just the default amount. Let me show you. This is it here. 1,000. Risk percent is 25 here. So when you risk 25%, you'll be left with that 750 that is indicated there as amount. So that's it. When you open your two, before placing your trades, you have entry price. You note your entry price. You note your stop loss price, and also note your take profit price, because these are the 3 points you will enter on your trading platform. Let's now move to the next example, which is the short position 2. We're also going to label it. Come here to the forecasting and measurement tools. You pick the short position. Short this time is going to be the inverse of this long 2. So let's label these two. Let's delete the long, since we are done with the explanation. We have here as our take profit point. Then we have entry points here, and we also have our stop loss at the top. Here is the stop loss. This is short position 2. So the distance from here to here now becomes the stop loss distance. Let's see it here. So the distance from the entry to stop loss level is the stop loss distance. Here is the entry. Here is stop loss. And here is take profits. And We also have the take profit distance, which is from this point now to the take profit level. So that's just so for us to short any, let me separate this. For us to short any symbol, say BTC, we pick the short tool from this point. Assuming we are shorting from this point, this position here, we click it. Then extend our stop loss to this level. Then extend to the point we want to take profit. So that's just it. Then we pick out the entry price, the stop loss price, and the take profit price, just the same way we did with the long position. And the picked points are also indicated on the right hand side of this price calibration on TradingView. So this is how to use the positioned long and short position tool on TradingView. So I believe you have been able to understand how to use this tool. Bye.